tell you, pick that leg up and take your head down. Watch your legs now, don't be sloppy. Pay attention to what you're doing. Get your arm back free. See, you let them have your arm. Alright? Good job, good job. 10 more seconds, 10 more seconds. 10, 9, 8, give me a takedown. 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3,